National Developmental Inclusive Alliance, the India bloc Manipur strongly reacted to the speech of Prime Minister Narendra Modi presented in connection with the Manipur crisis in the Rajya Sabha, terming it as a political statement. Addressing media in a press conference held at Congress Bhavan yesterday, Congress Legislative Party leader Okram Ibobi Singh said Prime Minister Narendra Modi finally broke his silence on the Manipur crisis after more than 1 year in the recently concluded parliament on the floor of Rajya Sabha. However, his brief speech fails to satisfy people's expectations, which is very unfortunate. Ibobi said that after raising voices by many MPs from different political parties, Congress leaders and fiery speeches from MPs of Manipur, Prime Minister Narendra Modi had responded to the Manipur crisis on July 3rd in the Rajya Sabha. Yet his brief speech not reflecting anything about the roadmap to end the ongoing crisis is disheartening. I hope not only India bloc but also people of the state might not be happy with the PM's speech that has been longing to listen from onset of crisis, he observed, while strongly criticizing that his speech is so simple and just presented for namesake. Ibobi clarified the statement made by Modi related to the imposition of presidential rule in Manipur 10 times by Congress since its independence. Ibobi stated that the most presidential rule imposed by the Congress party was due to political instability. During the erstwhile period, there was no anti-defection law in the country, resulting to occur political uncertainty. Prime Minister pointing out the imposition of president rule by Congress party during the then period amid presenting his speech on Manipur is quite irrelevant. He said and continued that Congress party never urged to impose president rule as a measure to end the crisis.